In this video, I got something really exciting to show you. It is how to do Facebook posting to your pages and sending it to other places using RSS feeds. This is really cool. So you go down and you scroll down, you go to social posting, and you'll see that one of these things there that says RSS feed posts. Okay, so click on campaign list, and what it does is RSS auto posting will publish a link post, and it'll do it after it's set up. So you first have to set up the RSS feed, and then anything you add to your blog or anywhere else after that will be posted to your Facebook and Twitter and so forth. And so you click on new RSS feed, and I'm going to put my blog in here, Mark Delis blog, and RSS feed URL. Now if you visit my blog, okay, and you'll see that the RSS feed it's normally copy link location, and that's what it is there. Okay, it's my blog feed. Okay, that's what it is. Sometimes it's different from other websites, but that's what it is. Now if I put that in there, you'll see that if I go like this, it's been successful. See that? So I'll close that window, and you can see the actions here, and you can see the settings. So where do I want to post it to? I'm going to post it to, say for example, Mark Delis tips, and I'm going to post it to this demo site there. I can post it to my Twitter account, and I can post it to my LinkedIn, and I can post it to read it as well. I can set the time zone. I'm going to set it between this time and that time, so it's basically 24 hours. And I can do a message. Title. That's the title. Check this out. There you go. A little smiley as well. And I can come down and I can click on create campaigns. See, watch this. See that? Create campaign. There you go. So now that's been set up. I come up here. I can turn that down. So now this is based on a cron job. So it's going to post it to those pages. It's based on its status is active, and I can see if there's any errors. And so it's based on a cron job. So I just keep on coming back. So now I'm going to go to my WordPress blog, and I'm going to go on the dashboard. I'm going to add a new post. I'm going to write a new post, and I'm going to put features, and say for example the features here, features, I'm going to put some features there, and I think I've already done a couple here. So comment reply tools, and I'm going to put comment reply tools, and I'm just going to make this real quick, and I'm going to put all that there. There we go. I'm going to post that in there. There we go. And I'm going to marketing Facebook. There you go. And I'm going to put that as a Mark Delis products, product news, make this primary. And I'm going to put a, let's see, I got a couple of things here. These are my own settings. You wouldn't have these. That's just a plug in here. And I'm going to do a feature image. That's my featured image. There we go. That's a featured image. So now I'm going to come here, and I'm going to publish it. Okay, so now that's published, and it's just there it is right there. Now if I go to the dashboard there, if I refresh, okay, so we're going to see this we're going to see this take place here. If there's any errors, no errors found. So I'm going pause this and come back because it's based on a cron job. Link here, it'll bring me to the text, the link that sends it as a link. Okay, link post. So it says Mark DeLee's blog, RSS Feed auto post. So it's supposed to go to this page and that page, and it says the status is pending. Okay, so we can see here that it's not published yet. We can delete it. So it is pending. It's based on a cron job. So we will come back and take a look at it. Okay, I just refresh and you'll see that the status has changed from pending to completed. And you can visit the page right here to see what it looks like. There we go. So there it is right there. Okay. So it posted as a link, and there it is right there. If I click anywhere on there, it'll take me to my blog. And there it is right there. Okay. If I come back, I can take a look at the real estate page. And there's the same thing. Okay. It's published by Associate Chat Bot. So that is how cool it works. Thank you.